A real quick demonstration for you guys of the altered dominants resolving to minor 6/9 and the scales that go with it. We'll start with the chords here. Here's a F7 flat 9 resolving to a B flat minor 6/9. Okay, so here you've got root, 5th, 7th, flat 9, and major 3rd in this chord. And over here on this chord, this is the resolution. Ableton spells everything in sharps by default, so there's root 5th, root minor 3rd, 6, root 9 in this chord. Okay, and here's that chord with the two scales. When the F7 flat 9 is playing, we're hearing the harmonic minor up perfect fourth. So B flat, B flat harmonic minor is playing over the F7. This is B flat harmonic minor, but I'm starting it on the 7th note of that harmonic minor. So think of this as 7 root 2 minor 3 4 5 flat 6 raised 7 root of the B flat harmonic minor. The reason why I started it on the 7 is because that's the leading tone and that's the 3rd of this chord. So look at the chord tones that are emphasized. 3rd of the chord, 5th of the chord, 7th of the chord. Then your color tones, flat 9, and then back to the 3rd again. So that sounds like this. Okay, then down here we've got the F7 sharp 9 resolving to B flat minor 6/9. So again we got root, major 3rd, 5th, minor 7, and then up on the top the sharp 9. And with this one, we're going to use jazz minor up a half step. So jazz minor up a half step from F is F sharp. So this is the beginning of that scale. I'm not starting it on the root of that jazz minor. I'm starting it on the 7th. So I'm really kind of playing the 7th mode of jazz minor over this F7 chord so that I can start on the chord tone. And what we get on the strong beats is chord tone, chord tone, chord tone. So I'm getting root, the sharp 9. Effectively, look at all the chord tones that you get out of this combination of scales. We get the root of the 5th chord, the root of the 5 chord, altered dominant. We get the flat 9. We get the sharp 9. We get the major 3. We get the flat 5, sharp 4. We get the flat 13, and we get the minor 7, and then we get the root of that 5 chord again. So here's what that sounds like. So I hope that explanation helps explain why this scale with this chord and this scale with this chord. However, it does work. It's not quite as clean, but it does work to play this scale with this chord. So let's listen to that one real quick. And then it also works to use the F7 flat 9, to use jazz minor up a half step with F7 flat 9. But it is cleaner to use them the way the book describes. Okay, that's it. Hope that makes sense.